You will see some threatening in life. You run away, it's threatening. Or you face it, consider it as a challenge. Which is more helpful?
B.
Right. A lot of research shown, a lot of research, I'm not make up story. I developed a appraisal scale. You either appraise the event, a threat, a change. More and more research shown that you were able to help the people reframe it, because reappraisal, reframing. If you are able to reframe reappraisal event as challenging, you feel that you're more able to face it. So it's to make you, to protect you from being scared. Every time you learn how to reappraise, you win. It's very powerful. Right? It's called reappraisal. It's now well established as an effective coping. Right? Recently, the meaning-making model by Crystal Park, reappraisal is listed as one of the meaning-making coping strategy. Reappraisal. Not a threat, challenge. I'll rise up to the challenge.